Hey, what's up, Holochain holder? This time the Holochain is completely on the trending and the price is increasing. Don't miss this chance, my brother. I will give you 100% guarantee, my brother. Every sick channel, my friend. 11,700 people are subscribed this channel, so that's mean to they are all trust on this channel. So please, I will advise for all of you. Remember, this is not a financial video. I just advise you. Please research personally before you take any decision. But absolutely, I will share my personal experience for all of you now. So this time the coin is absolutely on the trending. You can see here 39.19% profit in last 1 month, my brother. So I think absolutely this is very good, my brother, for investment now in those days. So kindly, if you have any plan to invest, my friend, in any coin, this is a top altcoin, my brother. So kindly, if you want to my friend, starting investing in Holochain, so I think this is one of the good chance, my brothers, to you will take, and absolutely they will make you a millionaire now, my brother, if you are starting investing now. This time the highest jump of price is 0.008621 USD dollar, and the current price is also, my friend, you can see here in the same, not, my friend, badly falls down. So it's a very good chance, my brothers, to you invest in Holochain now. And remember, my brothers, the price is also very cheap now. So if you want to buy, so easily buy it, and my friends, just only hold it for 1 month. I hope, my brothers, they will give you a profit and they will make you millionaire now. So thanks for watching, holder. Please, this is my personal experience, I share it, and upcoming time the price will be increasing. This is my live price prediction. To upcoming time the price will be increasing, because after a fails, every coin will wake up. So therefore, my friend, for a long time, my friend, fails down, the Holochain will fails down, but after that they will moving upward. So congratulations, and my opinion, to please hold it, don't sell it. And what's your opinion? Share it in a comment box. Allah Hafiz, take care, see you next time, Holochain holder. Allah Hafiz.